My story name is Who is the Happy. This story teaching us to not let go your happiness to comparing our less to by someone else. Once a crow looked the swan, and he and said the swan, "You are so beautiful because your all feather is white, and I am so black." Swan replied the crow, I'm not beautiful. The parrot is the most beautiful bird because he had two colors, and I am just one. Next day, the crow meet parrot and sharing their thoughts. You are so beautiful. The parrot said the crow, I am not beautiful. The most beautiful bird is peacock because he had a multicolor, and I am just had a two colors. Third day, the crow was meet the peacock and said, you are a most beautiful bird. The peacock replied the crow, you are the luckiest bird in this planet because you are free, and because I am so beautiful. Because my beauty, I am trapped in this cage, and you are free. The crow is smiled and thanks to God to making him. The moral of the story: never comparing yourself to someone else, and happy to what do you are and what do you have. Thank you.
Hi Kiran.
Hi Sarthak.
Today I read a beautiful poem.
Oh, what is the name of the poem?
To a Butterfly.
Oh, I know this poem also.
Who is the poet, you know that?
Yeah, this poem is written by the William Wordsworth.
And what is the rhyme scheme of this poem?
Rhyme scheme of the first stanza is AA, BB, CB, CCB, and the rhyme scheme of the second stanza is AA, BB, AC, CCA.
And what is the figure of speech of this poem?
Figure of speech this poem is inversion.
Which line do you most like in this poem?
Oh, pleasant, pleasant were the days, the time when our childish days.
Oh wow, and what is the central idea of this poem?
The poem is a speaker by the poet himself to his grow up person to look his back childhood days. The sight of a butterfly reminds in which the pleasant childhood he spent time with his sister which chased a butterfly on a countryside. This is the central idea of this poem.
Thank you.
Hi Harshali, how are you?
Hi Raki, how are you? I am fine.
I am fine dear, what about you?
I am fine. What are you can do in this day? School are closed due to coronavirus and there is a complete lockdown. So how do you spend your time at home?
Nothing special dear. Life is become dull and boring. I think of joining computer classes online to spend time.
That's a good idea.
Yes. How is your life in corona lockdown?
Thought was thinking what can I do in this time.
I think you can join grammar classes because your grammar is so weak.
That's a good idea. I had not thought this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I just hope that things go back to normal as soon as possible.
I also hope the same. Okay, bye. I have my online classes.
Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hello friends, my name is Anushka Guzle. Today I am telling you a short story. My story name is Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He searched for water, but he did not get it. After a long time, he saw a pot, but the water is very low. He could not drink it. He tried to break the pot, but he could not. He tried again and again. After a long time, he saw around. He saw some pebbles. He took the pebbles one by one and dropped into the pot. After then water came up. He drank the water and fly away happily. My moral of the story is there is a will, there is a way. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Sapna. Today I am telling you one short story. My story name is The Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time there was a crow. He had a piece of meat. The hungry fox came there. It said, "The his mouth is watered. The hungry fox see the piece of meat. Hungry fox see the piece of meat and he planned to get it. The hungry fox said, "Hey crow, your voice is so amazing. Please just sing a song for me." When the crow opened his mouth to the sing, the piece of meat is fell down and the hungry fox ate it and went away. The moral of the story is beware of the flatter.
Hi everyone, today I am telling one small story. My story name is A Good Turn. Once upon a time, I was a good player at sports. I want one gold medal in Kho. I was very happy. I was very happy when I returned to my home. Nobody in their home because my parents had gone away for wedding. As soon as I enter my house and open the window, I heard a cry. Neighbors from neighbor's house. I went to the neighbor house. My neighbor is very poor man. His son is very sick. So I immediately gave to my gold medal. Give to my neighbor. In this to my neighbor. I am very happy to help my neighbor. Thank you.
Hi Sadhna.
Hi Pragya.
I read a beautiful poem.
Oh, what is the name of poem?
Coromandel Fisher.
Oh wow.
Who is poet in this poem, you know?
Yeah, I know. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. Do you know rhyme scheme?
Yes, the rhyme scheme in this poem is AABB.
Oh wow.
My next question is you. Do you know the figure of the speech in this poem?
Yeah, I know the figure of speech is simile and metaphor.
And the central idea in this poem?
When the theme of this poem is when human beings come together for common purpose, no force or adversary can block their way. Human progresses depend on their facing them courteously. Do you like this poem?
Yes, I like this poem, and you?
Yeah, I also like this poem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi Sapna, how are you? Hi Kishori, I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, so now I'm ask you some questions. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, ninth standard poem. Related question I ask you.
Yes, you can ask me.
Okay, what is your favorite poem?
My favorite poem name is To a Butterfly.
Okay, what is the poet name in this poem?
The poet name in this poem is William Wordsworth.
Okay. You know the rhyming words in this poem?
Yes. First rhyming word is flight, slide. Second is days, place. Third is spring, wind.
What is your favorite lines in this poem?
My favorite line in this poem is the story near me do not take this life little longer stay also fly. This is my favorite poem.
Okay,
Favorite
you ask
line
me
in the poem.
questions.
Yes, I can ask me question you. What is the figure of a speech in this poem?
The figure of the speech is the inversion.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, yes, how are you? I am fine, and you?
I am also fine.
You know tomorrow we have English lecture.
Yes, I know. And sir teach the poem. Sir teach the poem number 3.1.
Yes, this poem is about the fishes and this poem in rhyme schemes.
You know the title of this poem?
This poem name is Comedial Fishers.
You know the writer of this poem?
This poem is written by the Sarojini Naidu.
This is an amazing poem.
Yes, where are you going?
I am going to play in garden.
Okay, we will meet tomorrow in school. Okay, bye.
Hi Samiksha, how are you?
Hi Snehal, I am fine. And how are you?
I am also fine. Let's go one small game, question and answer,
Yes, sure, why not? But on which topic?
related to our study on the Coromandel Fisher poem.
Yeah, okay, done.
Okay, you tell me how many stanzas in their poem.
There are 3 stanzas in the poem. And now tell me how many lines in there in the poem?
12 lines and some rhyming words in the poem.
Oh, call all, write, light, see free, glee, see, etc.
Okay, nice. Let's go. So we will solve all the questions of the poem.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.